Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Canva and choosing a design size. Pick 1920 by 1080 for standard video or choose custom. Once done, make sure Canva AI is enabled in settings so the tools appear. You should gather assets next: brand colors, logo, example images, and short prompts that describe tone and layout. This helps the AI generate consistent results. Start the design canvas now and import your assets, because having them ready speeds up the creative steps that follow. Now focus on generating and refining content. Use text to image or magic design with precise prompts. Describe composition, colors, and mood. Once you have AI outputs, place them in grids and frames and arrange with layers so elements align. Make iterative edits. Change copy, replace images, and adjust color swatches to match your brand. This improves readability and visual hierarchy. As you refine, export quick previews to check spacing and contrast, because seeing a full-size render. Finish by exporting optimized files. Save an editable Canva copy and also export a high-res PNG or PDF for delivery. Pick compression to balance quality and file size. Make sure to name versions clearly so you can revert if needed. If something looks wrong, colors shifted, fuzzy images, or missing fonts, inspect the font embed, color profile, and image DPI. These are common causes. Finally, test the exported file on the target device and adjust exports if colors or spacing differ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.